Hello students, our today's practical is related with dicot stem. Last time you have seen the internal structures of monocot stem and you have also seen how you will prepare the slide. In the same manner, today again we are going to prepare the slide of dicot stem. As you know, in order to study the internal structures of dicot stem, we used to prepare its slide. So, today's experiment's aim is to prepare temporary stand mount of dicot stem to study internal structures. Now, materials required for this experiment are dicot stem, you can take fresh stem also. These are the sections of sunflower stem. After this, we need plain glass slide, then cover slip, as you can see. After that, sharp blade, then watch glass, after that dropper, brush, water, safranin coloring pigment to stain the cells, then glycerin, forceps, needle and filter paper. As we had last time prepared the slide, similarly, first of all we will take a watch glass, take little amount of water in it, after this, now I am going to take one of the proper section of dicot stem with the help of sharp razor. Your razor must be sharp, otherwise you will not get thin section. So razor should be sharp. Last time I had shown you that how you are going to cut the section. Don't use the section and cut it like this, otherwise it will be not in your control and you will cut your fingers. We used to take the thin sections of onion, carrot or radish, two sections, and we used to put it in between that and then cut it with the help of this sharp razor. Pith is used to support the stem section so that it, without breaking, you can take out its fine sections. I have folded the section in my thumb and between the fingers, and then try to cut the fine sections, moving the blade from outside to inside. Cut so many sections. Students, it need practice, and if you have practice, then you will cut very fine sections of it. So I have taken so many sections, put all the sections in the water in watch glass. As you can see, I have taken the lot of sections. It is in the watch glass. Now I am going to select one of the finest piece. Or you can stain all of them and take out any one which is very thin. For this, take a little drop of safranin coloring pigment. One drop is too much enough, and in water and safranin solution, leave your section for half or 1 minute to stain. Once it will be stained, then all the sections, they will become, all the cells will become visible to you. That is why staining is done. Now try to select the section which is very thin. Okay. And take out the section on a clean slide. With the help of brush, take out the section on a clean slide. Student says, you can see I have selected a very thin section. Now remove the excess stain on it with the help of brush. Put few drops of water and with the help of brush try to remove the excess stains. Okay, you can see the section is now completely washed. All the excess stain is removed. Now with the help of filter paper, remove excess water. So excess water is removed. Now on this, put little drop of glycerine. As I have told you, you should use the handle of your brush. In this way, you will use only limited amount of glycerine. Otherwise, sometimes you can okay. So in this way you can see. Now you have to put cover slip on this section very carefully, so that there must not be air bubbles in the slide. Hold the cover slip horizontally like this and with the help of needle. With the help of needle, take the support of needle, put the cover slip very carefully and very slowly so that it should not trap the air. Okay. So you can see now your slide is ready to observe. Now we will take the aid of microscope to study the different okay students, you can see this is the microscope. Now this is a self light microscope. Put this slide on the platform of the microscope, make the light on, and now adjust your microscope. First observe the microscope on 10x low power microscope, and after that high power microscope. Okay students, so now all the structures are visible in it. Okay, so in this way you will able to observe the all internal structures of the dicot stem. Okay, so rest of the thing we will discuss with the help of its diagram.